we're going to read All the Colors of Christmas. And remember, this is coming from the Carnegie Public Library. Oh, and this looks like a beautiful book. And this special book was written by Matthew Paul Turner, and Gillian Gamble made all the beautiful pictures that we're going to read. All the colors of Christmas. You know what, Miss Phyllis never thought about all the colors of Christmas. So let's open our book and see how the author describes all the colors of Christmas. And do you know that our author Turner wrote this for Graza, whose wonder and excitement for Christmas is a gift to all of us. And it's also for Maria and Iris, who fill every Christmas with joy. This book is dedicated to them. That means it was written special for them. So let's see. Ooh, look at that. Christmas is red. You need to pay close attention to the picture. It's a shiny new sled. It's candy canes and toy store lanes. It's sprinkles on sweet bread. It's packages with bows and Rudolph's bright red nose. It's pictures drawn and dressed up lawns. It's warm mittens when it snows. That's the color of red. It's the drummer's boy's drum, his rummy-tum-tum. It's Santa Claus and cranberry sauce. It's apples, pears, and plums. It's presents that we send to family and friends. It's jolly cards and merry hearts. Yes, Christmas is red. Christmas is green. It's an evergreen scene. It's holly sprigs and mistletoe twigs. It's emerald lights agleam. It's garland on rails and pine needle trails. It's winter boots and funny elf suits. It's that old Mr. Grinch tale. It's Granny Smith's pies and plaid bow ties. It's fresh potpourri that smells Christmassy. It's stockings hung high. It's tinsels on trees and grass iced by freeze. Yeah, it's Christmas tree balls and artwork on walls. Yes, Christmas is green. Christmas is gold. It's bright ribbon unrolled. It's jingling bells and warm, yummy smells. It's heirlooms you are not allowed to hold. It dances all tapping along holiday trappings. It's nutcrackers, crowns, and Christmas Eve gowns. It's glittery gift wrapping. It's a big turkey roast and walnut you toast. It's crackling fires and glorious choirs. It's an ornament you love most. It's kids shouting, behold, wearing halos and robes. It's treetop stars and old church bazaars. Yes, Christmas is gold. Christmas is blue. It's a winter sky hue. It's flannel sheets and shaped cookie treats. It's a lake frozen through. It's big puffy coats and huge parade floats. It's Jupiter trees and bright spruce wreaths. It's writing Santa's notes. It's a sweater Mama knit, stretched yet still fits. It's turquoise lights in the darkest of nights. It's a snowman's outfit. It's memories old and new of loved ones gone too soon. It's an Elvis song and nights glowing long. Yes, Christmas is blue. Christmas is white. It's warm candlelight. It's mountain tops and small fancy shops. It's turtle doves in flight. It's December snowstorms and blankets so warm. It's angels' wings and the song that we sing about our dream for Christmas morn. It's sleigh rides through snow and tea lights that glow. It's North Pole tales and frosty exhales. It's cocoa with marshmallows, yum. It's a star shining bright on the holiest of nights. It's powdered cakes and powdered snowflakes. Yes, Christmas is white. Christmas is brown. It's pine cones scattered round. It's caramel corn and copper French horns. It's winter's fresh ground. It's firewood piled high and reindeers that fly. It's cinnamon sweets and gingerbread treats. It's homemade pecan pie. It's a cradle soft with hay and a donkey's gentle bray. It's God within a baby's skin on that very first Christmas day. It's shepherds kneeling down and wise ones gathered round. It's Mary's sigh and Jesus' cry. Yes, Christmas is brown. Christmas is you. It's your own unique hue. It's your wondrous gleam and your bedtime dream. You color each Christmas anew. It's your tinsel and flare and the gifts that you share. It's your jingling smile and your fa-la-la style. It's how you love and you care. It's the songs that you sing and the light that you bring. It's your heartfelt compassion and your hope put in action. It's your thrill for the little things. It's your love for what's true. It's the good that you do. You're a part of the story, the joy and the glory. Yes, Christmas is you. All the colors of Christmas. What a beautiful book. And remember, you can check it out at the library. All right, we're going to set that one down. I'm going to tell you a couple little things that we have for you. So this Christmas, or this year, we're going to make ornaments. So if you come to the library, now Miss Phyllis kind of put one together for you. You're going to get a full kit of everything that you need to make this beautiful ornament. Maybe give it to a friend or just hang it on your Christmas tree. You get to glue all the little ornaments on. Then you're going to get this pretty silver piece to put at the top. You're going to get a piece of thread and you're going to hang it on your Christmas tree. Or a friend would be nice. So again, you're going to get all this. All you have to do is come to the library. We'll have the little kits upstairs or downstairs for you to ask for. All right? So here it is all together for you. Here's your all your supplies that you need. Okay? So I'm going to put this down. And then we have another surprise. Oh, we're so full of surprises today. We have letters to Santa this year. Oh, I'm excited about this because you're going to write a letter to Santa. It says, Dear Santa Claus, my name is. Then you're going to put your name and have someone put your name for you. Then you're going to tell Santa how old you are. Then you're going to tell Santa where you live and what you really want for Christmas. And it would be so wonderful if you would bring all these things, and then you're going to list all the things that you want. Don't forget to tell somebody that you want to bring something special. And then it tells Santa that you're going to thank him. Thank you. You're the best Santa ever. And then you're going to be sure and thank Mrs. Claus and all the elves for making all those great things for you. And then you might want to color these little people if you'd like. There's a tree, there's Santa, and we'll have all this supplies here for you. After you finish your letter, you can either fold it or you can just take it and drop it into Santa's letters to Santa. Okay? All right. So I'm going to drop it in. They're going to come get it. Santa will get it and hopefully bring all the wonderful things that you want. All right, Miss Phyllis wants to wish you and all your family a wonderful Christmas and be safe and be kind to others.